the helmets worn by the samurai in battle. You have probably seen Shohei Ohtani and his teammates wearing the samurai helmet at games. Now you can buy one just like it. The company that produced this helmet is called Armor Workshop Marutake. This company also sells online. They also sell to countries outside of Japan. The site is displayed in Japanese, but you can enter the English page here. Select Category and look at Warlord Armor Helmet only. What a surprise! Shohei Ohtani's helmet is not listed. Let's take a look at the sales page for Japan. There it is, and it seems to be the most popular. When I attempt to buy this, it shows that it cannot be shipped internationally. I was thinking, are there any agents who can purchase these products that are sold only in Japan? On behalf of people living outside of Japan, several exist. For example, Tenso.com will purchase any and all Japanese online sales products on your behalf and deliver them to you. By using these services, you can get the same helmet as Shohei Ohtani. How was it? This channel will provide you with useful information about Japan. Please subscribe to my channel.